It's another beautiful day. Hello everyone. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Karibu sana. In this channel, Hakuna Matata. For subscribers, thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate it. You guys are amazing. I really love you guys and you're my family here in YouTube. Thank you for your support. For those who are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. For those who are new in this channel, for those who are watching me for the very first time, in this channel, we are talking about resin, we are talking about candles. And today, guys, we are going to make flower vases again. Although we won't install flowers today because we are going to export these products. So yeah, there we go. I use gold flakes first. I attach gold flakes on the mold. Then I put the drop of pigment on it. As you can see there, I picked different colors according to my customers' demand. So yeah, that's what I've done. Then you don't have to mix these colors for now. You just drop like how I'm dropping now. The drops, as you can see, and then I pour the clear resin on it. As you can see, look, that's so satisfying. That is another part I love about the. I put all the colors I wanted at once because I'm using 3:1 ratio. That take longer to cure. That means the colors will incorporate themselves and cover every area. But if you are using the fast curing epoxy, you have to put the colors in levels. You put, then you wait, you put again after me pouring the resin. Yeah, as you can see, after 24 hours our boil is ready, our vase is ready, like that. As you can see the colors are there. Yeah, that's exactly how we wanted it to be. Yeah, so we go for the second one. The second one is, it's a goldish one, but not too much goldy, not too much gold. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. And for this one also, the resin is the same, like it's 3:1 by ratio, 3:1 ratio by volume. Yeah, and in this one the colors I used makeup powder, and it's diamond white, rainbow gold, bright gold, and satin gold. That's what I used. Being when I mix gold like this and diamond white, the gold shined, is but it doesn't show that much. But also, I don't know how to put it, but it's kind of diluted and it's look good in my eyes, and most of my customers like them. So we pour, as you can see in the video. That's how I like to pour in this kind of mixture. Yes, after 30 hours, yes, this one took 30 hours to cure. That is the results. Our favorite part, or rather my favorite part, demolding, and see the results. As you can see what we have here. You see, that is our verse and little details there. You see, when you pull like that, you get that kind of details. And move to the third one. We start with clear resin. Yes, clear resin. As you can see, we put clear resin first. Yeah, and the reason being, we just need colors that, you know, a little bit diluted, but we don't want to dilute them before pouring them, just to make some little details that you will see at the end of this video. As you can see, then we pour the red one. Take a look at this color here. You see, yes, we pour that one. Then, yeah, after pouring it to a certain level, we leave it to cure. Yes, it took 12 hours to cure. Then come the next part, that is another level, and we mixed the colors that we are going to use now is rainbow red, rainbow gold, and again diamond white, a little bit of it. Then we pour like that. We leave it to cure for 24 hours. Yes, that is the results, guys. Can you see it? Can you see it? Wow. You see the effect we got after, you know, when we started with clear resin and then the red color. That is what we got, and that is exactly what we wanted, exactly my customer wanted. So that is it. Yeah, of course, this one, it's a flower vases. They are flower vases for a customer, but also you can use this bowl to store candies, like one of my customers wanted that. And also you can put some little things, jewelries like earrings, yeah, something like that. It's all up to you guys. Thank you for being with me till this far. For those who are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss anything that is happening in this channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you on the next video. Bye.